Hello and welcome back to our Christmas series here at A Decorative Home. Today I'm sharing a decorating tip in our Christmas series. Last year I bought a 7-foot artificial tree to go here in the foyer. My plan was to use a basket instead of a traditional tree skirt. My worry was that the tree and the basket would tip over with all of my decorations on it. After searching the internet, I couldn't find how other people were making their tree and baskets stable, if they were using the tree stand that came with the tree or not. My solution was to use scrap wood to kind of brace around the tree trunk. It did work, but I was still worrying about it all season that it would tip over. This year, I decided to go ahead and go to Lowe's and pick up 9 small patio pavers, and I'm going to go ahead and put them inside the basket and use them to kind of brace the tree trunk itself. So let's go ahead and let's get setting up this Christmas tree together. We have the basket that I purchased last year from Target. The 7-foot flocked artificial tree is from the At Home store. The 9 small patio pavers are from Lowe's. Then the cap that goes on the bottom of the tree trunk itself when it's in its box. So this is all the stuff that is going to help hold the tree into the basket. I'm going to start by putting the cap inside the basket, putting that right in the middle. Then I'm going to bring in the patio pavers and get them as close to that cap as I can. I'm going to put 3 of the patio pavers in, getting them nice and tight. Now that those 3 are in, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 more right on top of those 3, keeping it as close to what I think where the cap is. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the last 3 in as well. Now that the patio pavers are inside the basket, we're going to go ahead and add the bottom part of the Christmas tree. So I'm going to hold back the tree branches, and then I'm going to take the pointed end of the trunk and put it inside the cap, in between the patio pavers. Then let it fall open. Now we can go ahead and add the middle part of the tree. Again, I'm just going to hold the branches back and connect the 2 parts. And let it fall open. Or help it fall open. So already it's feeling a lot more stable. The basket's not going to tip over. There is a little bit of wiggle to the tree itself, but I think what I can do is go in and push all those patio pavers a little bit closer together to get a little bit more stability in there. So yeah, that's a lot better. Now we're just going to go ahead and add the top part of the tree. There is still a little bit of a wiggle to it, but for the most part, it's pretty stable. I don't have to worry about this tree falling over on me because of those patio pavers. Now I just need to go ahead and flock the tree, and I'll be ready to decorate. The tree is in the basket. The patio pavers are holding the basket and the tree in place. There is a little bit of a wiggle to it, but I do not think this tree is going to fall over. I've got it completely fluffed, and now we're ready to decorate.